is about the fractions. I think fraction is one of the topics that a lot of students struggling in. So hopefully this video will help you to understand more and make it more clear about fractions. The first one, example, 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. So if you are given question like this, like addition or subtraction between fractions, first thing you need to look is the denominator. If the denominator, they are the same, that is very simple. So what should you do if they're the same? Apply this property here, the first property here. Copy the denominator, and then the top, which is the numerator, you just add it, okay? Because here is c plus d, so you just copy it, add it, done. Okay, use the same method here because the bottom part is the same. Copy it, top part, 1 plus 3, so 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 over 4. Or you may leave your answer is 1. Okay. Next. This fraction is another addition or subtraction. So first thing, look at the denominator. But this time, the denominator, they are different. So what should you do? You can't use the same property as the first example here. You need to apply this property, okay? So what is this property saying is, okay, for argument's sake, I have one fractions, the second fraction, okay? The first fraction here, you need to times something, okay? So you need to times the second fraction denominator, okay? B over B. Do the same thing for second fraction, okay? Copy a second fraction, you need to times something. What is that? Is the denominator from the first fraction, A over A. Alright, and then here is AB or BA, and it will become CB plus DA. Okay, so from here to here is a little bit tricky because it's about the multiplication. So let me quickly introduce the multiplication property first. Here is the multiplication property. It's very straightforward, okay? One fraction times another fraction. So basically, the bottom part times bottom part. So you have that top part times the top part. So you have that simple as this. All right. Okay, so let's do example 3 first and then come back to example 2. Example 3 is the fraction multiplication. So as I mentioned, what should you do? Bottom part times the bottom part, and then top times the top. So 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 2 is 2, your answer is 2 over 12. Simplify it, divide by 2. Okay, you can divide top and bottom by 2, so you have 1/6 as your final answer. Right, so let's go back to example 2. Firstly, just copy the two fractions, and remember you need to type something for both fractions. So what should you type here? Look at the property again. So is the first bracket is the second fraction denominator, okay? So right, first bracket here, look at the second fraction denominator straight. So okay, times 3 over 3. Second bracket here, you need to times the first fraction denominator, which is A. Okay, so second bracket, look at the first fraction here, denominator is 4, so times 4 over 4. That is what we call the take the common denominator. So, right, 4 times 3 here, and then the top is 1 times 3 minus 2 times 4. Okay, 1 times 3, take 2 times 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. Take 2 times 4 is 8. 3 take 8 is minus 5. So that's it. Okay. Right. The last example here, example 4. 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 3. If division case, you need to do something first. What should you do? First of all, change the sign from division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction's top and bottom. Okay, just flip the top and bottom. So in other words, copy the first fraction. Firstly, change the sign from division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction other way around. Okay, so from 2 over 3 become 3 over 2. Multiplication, 4 times 2, bottom times bottom, top times top, 3 over 8. Okay. Now, I have 2 examples, or I should say 2 questions here for you guys to practice. So what I suggest you to do, probably is a good idea to pause the video here for, I don't know, for 5-10 minutes, so that you can try to do this question and then play the video again and to check the answer. Okay, I'll show you the answer. Okay, so it's a good idea to pause the video for seconds. Right. Okay, let's solve these 2 questions together. The first question, okay, basically first question that I can think of 2 ways to do it, at least 2 ways to do it. I do the long way first, and then I show you the quicker way. Addition. So look at the denominator, they're different. What you should do, just copy the fractions. You need to times something here, times something here. So here, what should I times? Look at the second fraction, denominator 3. So 3 over 3. Here, what should I do? Look at the first fraction. Copy the denominator 6 over 6. And then do the multiplication. So 4 times 3 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus, do the same thing. 1 times 6 is 6. Over 3 times 6 is 18. Then combine together because the bottom part, they are the same. So 18. 12 plus 6 is 18. So 18 over 18 is 1. Okay. The second way of doing it is try to simplify the first fraction. So how to simplify it? 4 over 6, you can divide both terms by 2. If you divide both terms by 2, you have 2 over 3. Okay, so actually it's 2 over 3 plus 1/3. Because the bottom, they are the same, so just copy it, and then 2 plus 1 as the top. 3 over 3 is 1, so you can tell the answer will be the same. Okay. The other question, division. So division question, what should you do? Copy the first fraction, change the sign from division to multiplication, and then flip top and bottom part other way around. Become 6/1 instead of 1/6. Multiplication, bottom times bottom, top times top. 24/6. So if you simplify it, that will nothing more than 4/1. What is 4/1? It's 4. Okay. Right. Hopefully now you have better understanding of how to handle fractions questions. Thank you for watching the video.